I'm Sharon Tinberg, and I'm going to spend a couple minutes with you today sharing with you some thoughts about a conversation I had with a person in a demo last night who is today a client regarding my thoughts on, are your cleaning trainees prepared to be trained? Imagine this. You're standing in a home with a brand new cleaner, has no professional experience at all, has never cleaned houses other than her own a little bit at home. And you start training this cleaner from scratch. You teach them every process, you teach them the tools, you teach them how to use the tools, you teach them everything. And they are standing there overwhelmed and a little unsure of what's actually important. But you continue to walk them through the bathroom, showing them every single thing, every single turn. You're working hard, you're explaining, you're cleaning, you're multitasking, and this employee is standing there watching you. But without the right preparation with this employee, with no foundation other than real-time training, this employee will never remember it. When it's time for them to clean and for you to shadow them, you'll be telling them again and again and again what to do, because once and done is not enough. It's inefficient, it's exhausting, and let's be honest, in-home training is really a waste of time. Now compare it to this scenario. The trainee has watched a full process video, engaging animated, seeing step by step how that bathroom is cleaned. While reviewing the manual, they are seeing actual segments in action, reinforcing what they saw in the animated video. I always have them watch the animation video again because they have a deeper understanding of how that process works once they've seen it in the manual with your tools and your products. Then I have them take a quiz to make sure that they retain that information. They've even created a cheat sheet to take with them when they get to cleaning their first houses until they remember the steps by heart. They don't have to look at the trainer. When they get to the field, to the hands-on training, they know exactly what to do. Instead of demonstrating and explaining again and again and again, now the trainer simply observes and guides. Asks an occasional question like, what did you miss? And answers a question that the employee might have. There's no towel in their hand, there's no cleaning. All they have is a structured, streamlined, effective way to onboard your new trained cleaner. Without a system like this, honestly, training is a mess. It's outdated, it's exhausting. As a matter of fact, now that I'm starting my new company, I'm not sure what I would do without this training kit. There's no way I'm going to go out there and clean and show another person how to clean. I can't imagine it, honestly. If you want cleaners who are capable and confident, then they need to be prepared to be trained. And the only way to do that is by training before the training. I hope I see you in a demo, or better yet, I hope to meet you onboarding your trainer. But until then, happy training.